The problem is confidence, such short supply, you would imagine. Success in this tournament.
They look so comfortable in defence, the Chinese pair. Considering they had a big performance last summer, it's hard to understand why.
Losing, and sometimes it's really hard to snap out of it. But it can just take one match, one result.
There seems to be an extra bit of zip on the not good sign for the Malaysians. Seeing him being the firepower from the back, with Teo being the man with the skills at the front.
Wow.
I think that shot from Ong Yew just split the Chinese pair, and it's a case of who's going to take that shot.
Oh, that was well in.
Ong and Teo really at their, or near to their best. They beat Alfian and Arianto in the first round of the Malaysian Shetty, who
out.
Still a very big force to be reckoned with at that time.
Correction.
Yep.
That's a great net from Wang Chang. He did so well there.
They are kind of mistakes that you associate with the
Service fault goal, too high.
higher than that. That's long.
Challenge.
It is the first time they've been ahead. And yeah, turn things round.
And what better tournament to do with this?
Get ready. Wang, get ready.
Second best.
Service over.
Ong Yew was desperate to try and get out of the way to allow it.
That's a weak. 2 game points saved. Here's the third. He's gone for the flicker. Missed it. Chinese pair capitalise here.
Might have been a finish from Ong Yew.
Well, it was brilliant. It's good. Right. Second chance then for the Chinese.
And the man who wants the forecourt is serving as well. That bodes well for the Chinese pair.
Well, they've got that. Very straightforward, straight game. Round of 30 in doubles at least.
Yeah, that extra bit of they haven't. It's going to put them under some massive pressure now.
Fault, wasn't it? They should have clinched it. They had chances, and those 3, quite the self-belief there. And that's a bad.
They don't look like they've got that self-belief, like you said. Really proactive work from the Chinese pair. You can see what they're looking for. Their rotations. What a good rally.
They've done brilliantly to stay in this rally, the Malaysians.
They really have.
Well, that should give them a huge... Chinese pair there.
Hugely dangerous. It's a sort of drive in the mid-court. It's not just the net play.
Well, from 5-love down, got themselves on toe, and they seem to almost lose their concentration. And just can't afford.
Who did we have?
Puvarania Crow and...
I know... Good defence from Liang. Malaysians at least. Should have committed fully to that.
So Malaysia to galvanise themselves here and force a decider.
Chinese pair a lot more defensive of late.
Defence as much as anything else. And
Chloe away at the net. Oh, it's lovely.
that's good leave.
Intensity from Liang.
Well, that's the most. Going to say that.
Oh dear. There. Trusting there.
Be in for a winning finish, I think, this second game. Oh, that's a loose one. Plus landed in.
Good intensity from Wang.
That's an excellent shot.
Form guide says this is where the Chinese will. Good return.
Well, they should have finished it.
Wang Chang just annoying his opponents for a second. Great position the Chinese get themselves in.
It's out. Distinct difference, isn't it, to a minute or so ago?
Oh no! Questionable serve over the years. Yeah, I don't blame him for flicking, because relying on that short serve of his has been something of a doubt.
That time, no mistake. Wasn't the most convincing display from the defence.